Hey, did you just get out of the shower and you're dealing with dry, itchy skin? Well, we've got the discussion here for you today. So first of all, what causes dry, itchy skin? Why do you get it? So sometimes it's an ailment with your skin, but sometimes it's actually even being dehydrated, right? If your body's dehydrated, you can tell by squeezing your skin if it doesn't bounce right back, or if you go and urinate and it's heavy yellow in color. So that would be important because your skin is the largest organ of your body, right? And you want to take care of it. And if you're dealing with dry, itchy skin and you're scratching yourself and you're like, what can I do? Here's some of the things to consider. So first of all, always speak to your doctor, right? We always want to recommend to speak to your doctor. By the way, number two, if you like this video, please click link, share it with your friends and family, especially anyone that's scratching and doesn't like their skin. Okay, so dermatologists will talk to you about the fact that there's rock in most of America's water. Yes, it's called bedrock. Why? Because the water either sits in a lake and there's a bedrock on the bottom, or it's going down a river and there's bedrock there, or if it's sitting in an aquifer. So rock, think about it, when you were a kid and you grabbed a whole handful of rocks and you threw it, were your hands all dry? Yeah, they were dry, and that rock plugged the pores of your skin, which when it's plugged, the natural oils don't come out. So think about that for a second. So when you take a shower with rock in the water and chlorine in the water, you're plugging the pores of your skin. Thus, it gets itchy. It's because the oil can't get out. Chlorine or chloramine, so many cities, and in fact, I have more complaints than ever about the fact that people have dry, itchy skin. And what's happened over the past several years? Well, let's take a look at it. Most cities have moved to chloramine. That means chlorine and ammonia combined. Now, would you ever want to pour chlorine on your hand? Have you ever accidentally did that? I did. What happens? It dries it out. It makes it all itchy. Ammonia, think about spilling that on your hand, right? And then that affects the skin and the pores of your skin. So the fact that you shower in it, but then dry off, that doesn't mean that that stuff came off with it onto the towel. We literally want to remove that from the water before you take the shower. By the way, I can't tell you how many people rave and just tell me how great it is for their hair when they remove the rock and the chloramine or chlorine from their water supply, because those are drying out the hair follicle, which makes them dry and brittle and crack, right? If they crack off, then you have to trim the ends of your hair and you have to do a deep conditioning treatment. By the way, this is how you can save money. We have a client who literally saved $120 every other month because she was going in every month to get a deep conditioning treatment and she was trimming the ends of her hair with a hairstylist. Well, the minute that she got a whole home system that took out the chlorine and the rock, guess what? She only had to go every other month, saving her $120 every other month. That's, what is that, 600, no, that's $720. It's really worthwhile. So not only can you do that, but you can reduce your cost on lotions, on skincare products. That's why it's such a big industry, right? Hair care products is so big. Well, why are you getting a conditioner? Well, the oil that naturally comes out of your scalp coating the hair follicle isn't able to do that because you've coated it with rock and chlorine. So these are some of the key components of why you should consider taking the rock and the chloramine or chlorine out of your water. Best thing that you can do is first start with a water test. Contact your local water treatment company, see if they can help you test for it. If you need further assistance, always reach out to us because we're here to help. You can check out our website below, angelwater.com, or contact us at 847-382-7800 because, as you know, I'm Drew and I'm here to serve you.